Pardon my garbage lighting. This fan is in an awkward spot to record, but what we have here today is a 52-inch Evergo Hugger ceiling fan. I got this from Braxton the Vintage Fan Man when I went to his house before Fanimation. Had a great time over there. We did some fan stuff. And I did give him my next generation Zephyr and 42-inch Emerson plastic designer in exchange for this. It's either that or I paid him, I can't remember. I don't keep track of that stuff. Anyway, he gave it to me because it was real loud, so I'm going to show y'all how loud it is. So you can probably already hear it. There's a reason why it's on the corner of my garage. Because this lighting's so garbage, I'll just get a close-up of it. Alright. Medium. And medium, it quiets down. Besides a little bit of humming. Alright. High speed. Alright. And high speed, it's pretty quiet. Alright, and a spin down. Hopefully this thing has crappy bearings, so I don't have to watch it spin down. But you know, one thing I just noticed looking at the fan is old Braxton left the price tag on it. I already get on him enough about that, but now I'm going to show all y'all. He loves to leave a price tag on a fan. You can see I do have an Evergo branded light kit that has the same design as the motor housing that I might put on here, but I don't have a globe that fits. This has got a weird globe size, a size I've never seen before. And this thing's got a long spin down. Great. I'm already prepared to stop it, people. Okay. Come on. You can do it. Just stop. Just stop already. Before I have to actually grab something to make you stop. Alright. You've seen it spin down enough. Alright? It stopped. Okay? It's done. We're done. You see this? We done.